Satyam Kumar Nimani, 22011. The openings topic is execution. Question number two. What do you understand by the term normal distribution? Question number three. Importing and exporting the data from Python using pandas. Question number three is execution, and question number four is statistical data analysis. Reference. The question number one is execution. Code name is load equal to CSV file. Mention the size and drop and release. Drop the count out of code W Chevron libraries. Mention title and explain my lab. This is my topic name. Here, the execution of this from Chevron is a Python data visualization library based on Matplotlib. Yes. Here we use the Chevron libraries, and it provides high interface of drawing attractive graphs. It's um, histogram like histograms, and it provides high interface provide for drawing attractive graphs. The important method plots in byplots, and then create some data in arrangements enp. Num in numpy plots the plot of the data with SNS and some plotting code as above of in execution. Here the code for this is the code for uh, our program. Important numpy as input. Means import the ENP numbers and import pandas as PD and import matplotlib alloc as per. These are all the Circom libraries and import sequence as SNS. This here SNS set theme color code is to where we can see the graph for the color. Cars that are pediated CVV equal to CAV files and NA values are 00 and 00 with the syntax error. Then the cars data head means here in the 22 file we can see the data for to execute program, and in SNS plot here we can type for fuel type and car data. This is a program. Question number two, concept. What do you understand by the term normal distribution? Here, a normal distribution is the proper term for a probability bell curves. Means the normal distribution is mainly used in probability for bell curves, and in this mean the zero and standard in this normal distribution the mean is zero and standard deviation is one. So then it has zero skew rate and Kutori's of 3 is zero skew rate, and they are symmetrical. The normal distributions are symmetrical, but not all the distributions are normal. The most pricing distributions are not perfectly normal. Means all the symmetrical dissymmetrical distributions are not perfectly normal, and it is assumed in technical stock market analysis. Means we can um, pay for stock market and invest for a stock market, then it is assumed technical analysis for stock market. It is noted motivated by the central limit theorem. The central limit theorem here which is motivate the concept of normal distributions. And it is also known as Gaussian distribution. Means its second name is Gaussian distribution. And the assumption is applied to asset prices as well as price action. Means this normal distribution is also known used in stock market for asset prices, price action. This, the normal distribution it is a continuous distribution with the maximum entropy for mean and variance. It is continuous distribution in means and variance. The here mean is 0 and variance is 3. It is subclass of elliptical distribution. Means it is also known as gaseous distribution and it is the subclass of elliptical distribution. It has exactly normal distribution because it is using uh, many online businesses, stock businesses. It, it is also it is also used in nature and social sciences. The importance is partly due to the central distribution theorem, and it is important in statistics because in statistics it is plot the graphs, histograms. Here, the question number 3 is importing and exporting the data from Python using pandas. Here we can use any data from Pythons for importing and exporting. In the pandas is an open source library. In pandas is an open source library that allows to perform data manipulation and analysis in Python. Means we can uh, perform any data or any code in Python. Pandas data frame into dimensional data structure. Here, the pandas are framed into dimensional data structures. Yes, we can show code for importing and exporting data. We can show the two-dimensional data structure. Code for importing and exporting data. We use many types of database. In Panda, there are many types of database. So we can use all the database and we can store many types of data to export and importing. In this program, we export data and import for show the given salary in month. Here we use pandas for execute the code to show how salary we can give workers. This is execute the all type of salaries, all type of codes. It is the execution of importing and exporting the data using Python's pandas. Here we can execute the one data, one data. Here we can execute the salaries of workers. It's here name, here date, salary, sick days remaining. These are the code for importing and exporting data for Python. There is the RAM sample is 350. Its salary is 50,000. Here, sick days remaining are 10. And question number 4 is statistical data analysis. So what is the statistical data analysis? It is procedure to perform various statistical operations. It is uh, procedure to perform various statistical operations. It is kindly quantitative research which seeks to quantify the data. The, the data is this is basically two type of namely continuous and discrete data. Discrete data. There are the basically two types of statistic data analysis. Here the continuous data cannot be counted. The continuous data cannot be counted means the intensity of light we can measure it, but not count the intensity of light. This is the example for continuous data. and the discrete data can be counted because the number of bulbs we can count because number of bulbs we can count, but the number of light we cannot count. This is discrete data. Here we use density word in continuous data. In discrete data use mass word. Is in continuous data we use density, then discrete data we use mass word. So it is collection of data, interpretation, binary data validation. Um, Statistical data analysis it is also known as collection of data, interpolation, binary data validation. And here the data is consist which is variable. So all the data is variable in statistical data analysis. Sometimes the data is universal or multivariate. multivariate. It is basically a science that involves data collection. Means in this data analysis data transformation, the basically science is involved that collection. There are various software packages to perform. Means Seagons, statistical analysis system, statistical package for social science, softs, StatSoft. These are the all packages to perform here. The probability means it is a type of statistic data analysis. The probability theory is very much helpful for making the prediction because in all the mathematical equation we use probability which estimate the important parts of data science. The probability is estimate or execute the important part of data science. Means in mathematical equations we use probability. Thus, here the statistical method are largely dependent on theory of probability. Means here the statistical theorem are largely dependent on theory of. Means in the statistical we use to show the graphs, histogram, and others are the graphs that we are storing probability. This is the helpful for the making decision like events. Uh, Means in probability we can use the many events. Probability discriminate the predicted data. It is quantified as number of between 0 and 1. These two numbers are quantified for probability. Here the 0 is indicate impossibility and 1 is indicate certain. And 0 is indicate possibility means in the events we can use possibility or impossibility to take many events and 1 is indicate certain. With the sampling distribution, it is a second type of um, data analysis. Sampling distribution. It is the static distribution of random variation. It is also known as random variables. It is dependent on underlying distribution for the population. Uh, The sampling procedure employed and sample size is used. Sampling procedure employed and the sample size is used. If it is separately used in order to compute one value of static, it is used in order to compute the one value of statistics. Mean the both of the many values in statistics, but the sampling distribution is computing one value. It is can be found mostly theoretical. It is can be found mostly theoretical. It is most important in statistics. It is known as distribution of mean and averages. The mean of samples from population having normal distribution. It is distribution of frequencies of a range of different outcomes. Here we get the many frequencies with range of different outcomes. Then the third type of statistical data analysis, statistical hypothesis test. Statistical hypothesis test. It is testable data on the basis of the data. testing on the basis of observation. It is tested exactly that set of possible probability distribution, and it is the method of statistical inference. It will have statistical inference. The second type of error occurs when the hypothesis is wrongly rejected. Means the hypothesis, null hypothesis is wrongly rejected. This is the second type of error. Significant based testing is most common framework for test for testing. It plays fundamental role in all testing for statistical data analysis. There are two mathematically equivalent processes can be used. Here, null and alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis is strongly rejected, and alternative hypothesis is used in all type of alternative testings. Here, the references for Wikipedia and data analytics. Thank you.